Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And y'all see him outside. And y'all see who that is? Tell them who you are. Tell them your name.
Where to go?
Tell the Burleys where we're going.
We're going to Bahamas.
We're not going to the Bahamas right now. Where are we going today?
Bowling.
Bowling. That's right, Burleys. I'm taking Orlando for the first time bowling, and I'm taking y'all with us, y'all. This little boy done ran me low already this morning. It ain't even 10 o'clock yet. We were supposed to be pulling up to the bowling alley at 10 o'clock, but we're gonna be a little after 10. Y'all, it is 90 degrees at 10 minutes to 10, y'all. 90 degrees. So yeah, it's hot. So I had to get in the car and get some circulation, some wind going on in here, y'all. And when y'all get to see my outfit, of course, y'all know I love camo. But check out my pants, y'all. I just got these pants yesterday from the new Ross that opened in the area near me. And they're super comfy. And what I really like about them and what excited me the most is, y'all, I bought a size medium and they fit. They're not tight, they're not loose, they fit. So check out my camo pants, y'all. And they're like that parachute material, but not that kind that's like super shh, 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 that makes that noise. It makes a slight noise, but not really. And they're so comfortable. I wish they had them in different color camos, but I'll check back periodically and see if I find some. What you want to say to the Burleys, big boy?
We're going to bowling.
Yep, we finna go to bowling. Okay, Burleys, I have made it to the bowling alley. Y'all see the bowling alley's back there. I'm gonna take the baby. I'm gonna take the baby out of the car. People just roll up with their music, y'all. And we're gonna see how this goes, y'all. I'm gonna record as much as I can if I can, but keep in mind I'm by myself with him. And this is our first time, so, and I haven't even been to this bowling alley since they remodeled it, so I'm not even sure what I'm walking into. We have a lane. It's not packed in here at all. Sit down, Boots. Orlando's already taken off his shoes. He got his miniature bowling shoes, y'all. I got him a ball, and there's a lot of music playing in here, y'all, so I don't know how much I'm really going to be able to record. But I'm gonna turn the camera around when I can, let y'all see what is going on with the baby. His first time bowling. Yeah, got your name up there. Y'all, he is infatuated with the fact that the screen has his name. Push it, Boots. Do it. Do it. Orlando already got a strike, y'all. Don't look like he's gonna hit anything this time. He didn't hit nothing on that one. But he got a strike already. How you like that, Boots? Huh? Here, talk to the Burleys, Boots. Let mommy put it on there for you. Let the Burleys see. Wait a minute. Great job, yes, great job. Y'all heard the baby, he said great job. Y'all look at what my baby did. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh, he's so excited. He runs back here, y'all, to get the wait for the ball. That's his score, y'all. Now let mommy get the ball. Let mommy get it. Yeah, it says Orlando. Orlando just bowled a 77, his first time ever bowling, y'all. I'm not gonna do a second game. One was enough because this is his first time, and I'm tired. Okay, Rollies, it is now 91 degrees. We just got back in the car. It is hot, y'all. So we only did one game of bowling because that was enough for me with him with the ball, and I felt like 2 games would have been a little bit much, and he'll probably lost interest before the end. He bowled a 77, which I don't think is bad for a little 2-year-old, his first time ever bowling. And this was a program, or is a program that they do over the summer. It's called KBF, Kids Bowl Free. If you guys want, I have a link, and I will link it in my description if you're interested. Now we have a Walmart pickup order, y'all. So it is about it is exactly 5 minutes to 11. And he wants a cookie, y'all. Of course, I keep snacks and cold water in the sippy cup.
I want a cookie.
You finna get one.
A cookie.
Tell the Rollies you were bowling.
Just bowling.
Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Yeah.
Miss Bowling. Miss Bowling. Miss Bowling.
Okay, Rollies, we have made it back on the driveway. As y'all can see the baby in the background back there. Y'all see him back there? Completely knocked out, y'all. Completely knocked out. We went to Walmart, picked up the Walmart order, and y'all know the girl was running low because it is now 11:33. Y'all know I had to get this. So I'm gonna unload the car with the Walmart order. Hopefully he stays asleep for a little bit at least, and we're gonna chill at the house for a little bit. Yeah, later on this afternoon we're gonna go to my mom's, check on her, and I'll probably drop him off to the park for a little bit. Not drop him off, but you know, drop by the park with him for a little bit on the way coming back from seeing my mom. So my battery is blinking, y'all. So until the next video,